Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just earlier today did a video on power clipping, and then I started thinking the interactive fill tool would be a lot better, and hopefully it will work, and it did. So I'm going to take these two items, and I am going to intersect them. And by doing that, we already got that, and then I can move over my box and move it over. And then I could actually make my box black and go, and the what's better about this that I think, that in the PowerClip you couldn't adjust the colors, but if we select our fill, and it'll show you right here, I don't have it yet. If you select your fill, you see a fountain fill. You can now adjust your fountain fill with the box where you couldn't with the PowerClip. You could still add some yellows in there, add some more reds. And you could do all this where you couldn't do it in the PowerClip. And if you didn't watch part one, this is like a PowerClip. And if we grab it and go to the interactive fill tool, it doesn't work because it's a PowerClip. So interactive fill tool in this case would be a lot better. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.